2:4 and 4:8 look different, but math says they are connected. How? Today I'll explain the difference between ratio and proportion without boring definitions. Hey everyone, welcome back to Difference Between Maths series, and today's topic is ratio versus proportion. And honestly, students confuse them up all the time. But after this video, you will never mix them up again. So let's start. Imagine this. You and your friend order pizza. You eat 2 slices. Your friend eats 4 slices. So the comparison becomes 2 to 4. And in maths, we write it like this, 2:4. This is called ratio. A ratio simply compares two quantities, that is boys to girls, tea to water, wins to loses, chocolate syrup to milk. Ratio means comparison. Think of ratio like a match. Two teams standing face to face. This versus that. For example, if a class has 10 boys and 20 girls, then the ratio of boys to girls is 10:20, or simplified 1:2. But now comes the interesting part. What if two ratios are actually equal? Look carefully. 2:4 and 4:8 both simplify to 1:2. That means the two ratios are equal. And when two ratios are equal, it is called a proportion. So we write proportion like this. 2:4 is equal to 4:8, or 2/4 is equal to 4/8. Easy trick to remember is ratio is equal to comparison and proportion is equal to equality of comparison. Imagine making orange juice. So recipe 1 says 1 glass syrup plus 2 glasses of water. And recipe 2 says 2 glasses syrup plus 4 glasses water. The quantity is changed, but the relationship is same. Means 1 glass syrup, double water. Here 2 glass syrup, double water. That means they are in proportion. Ratio asks how much compared to what, and proportion asks are these two quantities equal? Now let's test quickly. 3:6 and 4:8. Are they in proportion? Yes, because both simplify to 1:2. This is also 1:2. What about 2:5 and 3:5? No, because they have different ratios. So remember, a ratio uses one comparison, a proportion compares two ratios. And that's the difference between ratio and proportion. Ratio compares and proportion proves equality. I hope ratio and proportion are clear. See you in the next video. Thank you.